Hey guys, welcome to the channel. So we are back in the Honda City, and today's video is going to be pretty interesting. You must have read the title of the video that we are going to do something to improve the ground clearance, drivability, and also the handling part of the entire car. This is going to be particularly interesting for all those people who think that the Honda City is a little lower. You can also do this for other cars. Even big SUVs, like SUVs have a lot of body roll, and this can actually solve the entire situation of a body roll. Not maybe completely, but to a certain extent. So let's get into the video, and I will give you all the details regarding this. I've also got a person to fix these cushions in my car. So let's see how this is done. Okay, so these are the buffers which we are going to install. I bought them off Roger's official website, so I'll link that in the description if you guys want to go and get it for yourself as well. So basically what they do is they increase the ground clearance, that's one. It reduces road jerks, that's two. It reduces body roll, that's three. And it also comes with a warranty. So it's got all of these things. There is a big one and a small one in this pack for the front and the back suspensions. So let's see how they are fit and get on with the video further. Now first things first, there is a jack which is put to increase the height of the car, and then you have to obviously open the packages. You have four buffers in this, two large size and two small size. Now these are for the front and back, they are separate. So you have the smaller ones on the front, and on the rear you have the big ones. So pretty interesting design. It is completely very hard silicone with a little bit of hard plastic as well. It goes in between the springs of the suspension. So once this is done, the suspension is totally exposed, and as you can see how he's doing it, he's putting it in between the suspensions. So two springs, and it just gets stuck to it because of the design of the buffer, and then you can zip tie it. So that way you have got this kind of a thing, and it stays in place as well. Whenever the car goes into any kind of bump, or whenever it is running, the car, the suspension buffer will take care of the entire stress, and that is the whole point of this buffer. It also makes the suspension stay in a particular position so that the entire height of the car also increases. So that is the cushion which I was talking about. You can see it right there, and you can see how it is put. Basically it is in the suspension. I will also show you the back of the car. So I've got all four buffers installed in the car, and you can see that the car's height has gone a little bit higher than normal. But as you can see, the gaps of the tires have also improved significantly with the buffer. So it has done a good job with the entire thing. Let's also check the back of the car. So here you can see that it's a significant difference which has happened with the car. Okay, this is a Jeep Compass, and obviously there is no comparison between how this car is with respect to its ground clearance, but we can always see the entire difference between both these cars, and whether these shock absorbers have made a significant difference or not. So if you see, this is the ground clearance of this car, while you can see this is the ground clearance of this car. So at the outside, obviously there is a significant difference between both the cars. If you see, this is slightly lower compared to this, but it has made a difference with the ground clearance, which is significant to almost 1 to 1.5 inches. If you see this compared to this, obviously there is a significant area which has been created between the tire and the car. So because of the suspension buffers, it is much easier to get in and get out of the car also. And obviously this applies to the front and the rear passengers as well. So if you see, the car has gotten a little higher, as I said, about 1.5 inches. So it has become much easier for people to actually get in. So you can see the difference. It has made a lot of difference while you get in and get out of the car. So that is another plus point which you can have if you put these buffers in your car. So after installing the buffers, I took the car out for a short drive on a road which is pretty bad. And as you can see, the road is pretty bumpy and it's not totally finished as well. So you have rough edges on the road, and I don't know whether the camera is doing a lot of justice, but the ride quality has definitely improved. There is a lot of confidence which the car has to take these bumps and broken speed breakers. So yeah, overall it's a good experience. So that was the video of the Honda City with the suspension buffers which have been installed. And I hope you like the video. Do subscribe to the channel, click the bell icon. Don't forget to like the video, and do drop some comments where I can respond to you if you have any queries with respect to this car, or if you want to install the buffer in your car. Let me know. And as usual, thanks for watching.